writing the or realizing them in the NAND or by using NAND or NOR gate. So let us take such one problem. So minimize and realize NAND gates, and they are going to give like this: f of a, b, c, d is equal to summation m of 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13 plus d of 8, 10, 15. Okay. So this they will give like this, and they will ask you to minimize and realize the NAND gates. If this kind of questions are asked, then if you write the equation for each of them, and you can see that we are having four variables. So it is very complex if you are just going to follow the normal procedure. How we have done simplifying the equation by using Boolean laws, all those things, that becomes too complex. So during that time, we go for the K-map, Karnaugh map simplification. Okay, the Karnaugh map simplification you study in detail in your third semester. Now, as of now, how we can apply this Karnaugh map simplification method to the given problem, we'll discuss. So we'll try to understand whatever is required as of now. When Karnaugh map simplification or K-map simplification method is being asked, I mean, they'll not tell like that. They may ask by using K-map simplification, or they'll just give the question. Then you should realize that this cannot be done by the normal simplification process. So I have to use K-map simplification process. So first what you need to do is you need to write the table. So if you are having four variables, how many possible inputs combination you'll get?
16.
16, right? So starting from 0 to 15. So totally we'll be having 16 combinations we get. So that's why we need to take 16 boxes here. And we'll mark this is A, B, C, D. All of you listen carefully. Otherwise, you cannot understand anything. If you miss up one step, you'll not understand anything. Whatever I'll be writing here, the number sequences that tends for AB. Whatever the number sequence I'll be writing here, that tends to CD. Now, I'll start from here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then you should come here 8, 9, 10, sorry, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, come back 15. See here, I'll tell you again. Zero, you should start with 0, 1, jump this, go to this block 2, come back again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, you should jump this column, the row 8, 9, 10, 11. After that, come back here. 12, 13, 14, 15. So you should observe here this and this, the third column and third row, we will be jumping while writing the numbers. Okay, this is the first step you should know in writing the table. Okay, 0, 1, 2, come back 3, 4, 5, 6, come back 7. Then you should leave this, go to the last 8, 9, 10, 11. After that, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this the column and the row that needs to be jumped while writing, or you can tell that needs to be considered last while putting the numbers. Okay, so this numbering is just for our understanding. Now, all of you have understood till here how to number them?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. The same way here, I told you, no, we need to consider this line in the last. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0 gives 0, 1, 2, 3. How you got 0, 1, 2, 3, this one? I'm telling you, 0, 1, 2, 3. How you will get this 0, 1, 2, 3? Many of them will have this doubt.
So you need to multiply like the horizontal and vertical 0, 0, and 0, and that thing.
Or in the other way, simple way,
Binary.
Big
binary
number.
decimal conversion. So 4 to 1 code. No, instead of that, which code you'll use?
2.
2 1 code. When you use 2 1 code, you'll get this. Okay. Now, whatever you're having m of 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13, no? At that places, you mark it as 1. And wherever you're having D indicates don't care. So that don't care means you mark it as X. That means based upon your convenience, you can consider it as 0 or 1. It is don't care. We can consider anything. Okay. So now let us mark 0. At 0th position, we are having 0 here, put 1. Then at 2, we are having 1. Then 5, we are having 1. 6, 1. 7, there is 7 here. 1. 13, 1. Okay, we are done with that ones, number of ones. Now,
Sir, can you repeat
yes.
this again? Hello?
Yeah,
Sir, can you repeat this, sir? Repeat the step.
yeah. So we are having m of 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13. No? So where this set of positions in this Karnaugh map will be having 1. The value will be 1. Okay. In the position 0, put it as 1. 2, it is marked 2. No? So in the place of 2, box number 2, put as 1. 5, 1. 6, 1. 7, 1. 13, 1. Okay, for m of all these positions, we just put ones. Then we are having D, don't care, 8, comma 10, comma 15. So in the place of this 8, comma 10, comma 15, put X. That indicates don't care. 8. So into or x, whatever you want. Then 10, it's x. 15, it's x. Like this. Okay. Now, remaining places, whatever we are having, we'll put zeros. All the remaining places, wherever we don't have anything, those are all zeros. Okay. Now, we need to just a minute. Okay. Now, we need to group them. See how we can group is, you can group with a single pair, or you can group four numbers together, and you should not consider zero. See, whatever the method we are following now to your level, we are not going to consider zero for grouping. We are just considering ones and they don't care positions for grouping. So for while grouping, you should group even values. Even values. That means you can take two together, two boxes together to group, four boxes together to group, like that. Now, in order to group one, this don't care. I told you, no, based upon your convenience. This can be considered as 0 or 1. When I consider this 4 together, if this position is considered to be 1, then I make this 4 as one group. That's why I will assume this don't care function as 1 for my convenience, and I'm going to make this as one group. Okay. Now, after this, you can see that we are having 1 here and we are having 1 here. So we can combine these two and we can make a group. These two can become these two can combine and make a group. Then even we can combine this, this, this. See, the main idea here is, when you are going to, suppose you take this as a white sheet of paper, and you have marked the tables like this. If you fold them, they should overlap. They should combine. That is a simple logic. Okay, now I can use this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner members to combine them as one group. See, here we are having 1, here we are having 1, but here we have don't care. And I told you, don't care functions can be used based upon our convenience. Okay, so for my convenience, I assume this position as 1, because I can make them as a pair. See, the more the number of members you have in a group, that is more the number of boxes you have in a group, lesser will be the equation size. So you can easily simplify it. Okay, and you cannot have uh, three boxes together to form a group. Okay, why we cannot have 3 boxes, we'll understand when we complete this problem. Okay, and one more rule, you cannot pair the same member more than 2 times. See, already this one is combined, is a part of this group, and is also part of this group. So here you should not again pair it with any other members. Okay, so one position can be maximum, you can share it with two groups. One position can be shared with two groups. After this, so this is what we can do. So rest of the things, if you group also, it starts repeating. It will be just a repetition rather than making the equation simple. It will be just a repetition of same thing. Final, it will be just like writing a plus a. Finally, it will be a only. We instead of writing a, you are writing it as a plus a. That's why we'll not. This is the maximum what we can group, and we'll stop the grouping here. Now, after stopping the grouping process, let us see how we are going to write the equation. Now, I told you, this I'll take this group first. You should look into this values, the horizontal and vertical values, and the common terms in that. See here, you are having totally you are having four members in this group, four positions in this group. So when you see the vertical position, you are having 0, 1, 1, 1. Among this, see, this is the position for C, this is the position for D, C, D. Among this, everything is, it is CD, CD position values. Among this, when you compare these two, which position is common in these two?
D is common.
D is common, right? And D is 1. So write D. Next, see the horizontal. This is A, B position, A, B position. See the first line indicates A position, second line indicates B position. Among these two, which is common?
B is common.
B is common. So this we have simplified as PD. Now we'll go to this grouping. In this grouping, you can see that for the vertical position, we are having two. We are here. We are having two. The two columns we are having, but the row is single. That's why what you need to do is here you cannot compare anything. So take it as it is. So see to the horizontal position, what we are having 0, 1. What does 0 indicates? Complement. 0 indicates complement. So A bar B. Coming to the vertical position, we are having two positions. Okay, when you compare between these two, which is common? C
C.
is common. So A bar B C. So this is the simplified equation for this group. Now look into the last grouping, what we have done for the corner, all these corners. Now see the rows, these two rows you need to see, and the same way this and this, which is common in these two. For this row, which position is common? See 0, 0, 1, 0. Which is common? Which position is common?
B.
B. And for B, we are having 1 or 0.
0.
0. So you should write it as B bar. Okay. Now look into the vertical positions. So this corner means obviously you need to take this value. These two corners means this value. So what will happen? 0, 0, 1, 0. Which position is common?
D.
D. And it is 0. That's why it is B bar. This is the equation. See, if you write the equation for this, it will be a complex equation. If you have the book with you, you can, or afterwards you can check. It will be around 12, 12 products we need to add 12 products. That means a bar b bar, a bar b c bar d bar plus a bar b c bar d plus a bar b c d bar, like this. You need to add 12 terms. This is the complex equation we are having. So 12 different the terms we are having. These 12 different terms, we have simplified it in this form by using the K-map simplification. Now what you have to do is, after obtaining this equation, now you apply the NAND realization. So first, as you know, for NAND realization, first step is writing the logic circuit. Write the logic circuit for this. Then insert NOT gate. That is the second step. Third step, cancel the continuous two NOT gates. Finally, replace all gates with NAND. So this is the step you need to write. Okay. Now, I know this is quite difficult to understand, but still at any point now you want to ask me, you can ask. Doubt where you have not understood.
So
cannot
A bar BC.
Suddenly. Yeah.
Sir, can you explain it once again?
Which one?
A bar BC. Can the
A bar B C. Okay.
Yeah.
See, for A bar B C, we have taken for this position, this grouping. Okay. See, for this grouping, 1, 1. For when you look into the horizontal, we are having only two position, only one position, right? That is 0 and 1. But what happened here? When you had two rows, we were comparing two rows and we are taking the common term out. But since you are having a single row here, can you compare anything? You cannot compare anything. You have to take whatever it is. That's why A bar B I have written. But when you see, look into the vertical or these columns, you are having two positions because one is in one position, this one is in other position. So we'll have two options. So among this, we are going to compare and we'll take the common term out. So among these two, C is common, C position is common. We cannot take D because D is 1 here, D is 0 here. So C is common, so we write C. But here, both this ones, both the members which are in these boxes, they have a common value, 0, 1. But here in the vertical positions, they have different values. When they have different values, compare and take the common term, common variable. If they have a common value, then you have to take both. You don't have any other option because you cannot compare them. And why we are not grouping 3 together is, when you get 3, how you can compare 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0? Can you get any common term? If you are grouping, we are having something 1, 1, 1. If you group, can you take any common term out of this? Nothing is common. The common term means you should have common in all the 3. Can you take any common term in this?
No, sir.
No, right? Yeah. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'll try to clarify. Or at any point, if you have not understood, you can ask me, I'll clarify it. We have one more problem similar to this. Even I'll solve that. If you have any doubts, you can get clarified. So the next part, this one, writing logic circuit, inserting NOT gate, this I have already discussed yesterday. We already know, and this is a very simple circuit. So you can do this. You want me to do this? I hope NAND realization, NOR realization doing, because yesterday I could see many of them have done correctly. If you have not understood that, please let me know. Anybody is having any doubt? Hmm?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Fine. So we'll solve one more problem similar to this. So if you have any doubts, you can get clarified. So minimize and realize using NAND gate. So f of A, B, C, D, summation m of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. So at these positions, you need to put 1. And D of 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 14. So now we need to draw the K-map to simplify the given problem, and we need to arrive with an expression. Then we need to apply the NAND gate realization procedure. Again, take the table. Since you are having 4 variables, we'll be having 16 different combinations of the input. A, B, C, D. So now, Brunda is there? Brunda,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there? Can you tell me the position values?
Yes, sir. 0,
Hmm.
1,
Hmm.
3, 2,
Hmm.
2, 4,
Hmm.
the next 5,
Hmm.
7, 6.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then the last row,
Hmm.
8,
Hmm.
9,
Hmm.
11, 10.
Hmm. So
Then
that
12,
12.
13, 15, 14.
So this is what we are going to write. Now we will write the values, whatever we have got. 4, 5, 6. At 4, 5, 6, you should write 1. 4, 5, 6. Write 1. 7, 8, 12. 8 is also 1. 7 is also 1. 12. 12 is also 1. Okay. And the don't care positions are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 9, 11, 14. 9, 11, 14. And remaining positions you fill it with 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now the box is full. And again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Zero 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 one 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 1 0. Okay, now we'll start grouping. See here, as I told, first you need to prefer for the more number of positions or boxes to group. Instead of grouping these two, what we can do is we can group all these 4 positions together. All these 4 positions together. Okay, so that we will get a simplified position, a simplified equation. And as I was telling, if you have more than 2 positions, then you cannot take common term. Here also, since you are having 4 positions, you cannot take any common term. So you need to neglect this values. Just you need to take this value. Okay, because for all the 4 positions, you cannot have a common value. CD, 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 CD. For all the 4 different values, C cannot be common or D cannot be common. It cannot have a common value. That's why we will not consider any of these values. We will consider only this value. Now, after this, we are having 1, 1. So, group these two. Okay, we'll group them. So, we can stop it at this level. Because if you are grouping with this, again it's a waste. So that's why we will not group anything. We will stop it here. Now, after doing this, we'll write the equation. Look into this horizontal position and its vertical position. In the vertical positions, each of them 4, 5, 7, 6, they have different values. No, all the positions doesn't have any common value. That is 4, 5, 6, 7 doesn't have any common value for C or D. So that's why we are going to ignore it. We cannot consider anything. So we need to consider only this values because all the 4 positions have AB with a common value. So it will be A bar B. Now coming to this, what you will do for this 1, 1? For this group, how you are going to take?
CD is common, sir.
A is common, right? In these two. Then in this position,
bar
what
is
we will do
common.
usually?
C bar and D bar. Yeah.
C bar and D bar. C bar and D bar. Can you simplify anything here further? Is there any possibility?
No, sir.
No, right? So this is the final expression. To this expression, we are going to write the logic circuit and the rest continues the same. A, B, not gate, B, and gate, and A. So still we have C or CD also. Forgot. A bar, then B, this is AND gate, and A, C bar, D bar. This three forms one AND gate. So finally, when you combine them, this we are going to use OR gate. In the question, they've asked for NAND realization. For NAND realization, what we need to do? Where you will be putting the NOT gate for NAND realization? So now I need to insert NOT gate for the AND.
For AND gate,
How-
it's in outside and OR gate in input side.
OR gate input side, OR gate input side, AND gate output side. Okay, so we have done that step. So what is the next step? What is the next step?
Cancel NOT
Eliminate
Eliminate the NOT gates. So we have eliminated the NOT gates and we have obtained the new circuit like this. Now, what is the next step?
Converting all gates to NAND gates.
Convert all the gates to NAND gate. So this one, it becomes AND gate. That's an AND gate. This also becomes NAND gate. This also becomes NAND gate. NAND gate, NAND gate, NAND gate. Okay. So if you are going to verify this, you can check. You'll be getting back the same equation. Okay, this is how we are going to. These two are the peculiar problems. If you get the toughest question paper, you'll get this kind of problems. Other than that, the rest of the problems will be similar. Just take down one problem. If they'll so you may get this in your internals also. What you can do is for a logic circuit with three variables, the output is high when even number of inputs are high, else it will be 0. Write the expression and realize it with NAND gate. Once I had made a video question paper during that time, I had given this kind of problem. I had twisted. If you know the topic, you can easily do it. What is the meaning of this? See, no values, nothing is given. It is just like theory, but you can generate the table, everything.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is K-map simplification is restricted to realize with NAND gates only, sir?
No, NOR gate also you can do. I will just take a NAND gate realization. We can use NAND or NOR, both. Anybody understood this? It is easy. It is self-explanatory. The problem is self-explanatory.
So for 2, 4, 6, 8, we have to write 1. For the odd numbers, we have to write 0.
Good. So A, B, C. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The output. It has, they have told, for even number of inputs. Even number of inputs means whenever any two variables, whenever any two inputs are 1. Even means what? 2, right? So among 3 variables, even number means 2 only can come. Any 2 inputs are high, then output will be high. So what will happen if all the 3 inputs are high? Can we make the output high?
Sir, in the 2, sir, only one input is only I, sir.
No. What?
If you called it, if 2 inputs are high, then output is high, right, sir?
Yeah, even number of inputs are high. Among these 3, any 2 inputs are high. It might be AB, it might be BC, it might be AC. Like that. My question is, here we are having 1, 1, 1. So what I should do? Okay, first we'll see here 0, 0, 0. So do you have any even inputs having ones? No.
No, sir.
Output is 0. What about this 0, 0, 1? Any two 0. Here 0.
Zero.
Here
1.
1. Here
0.
0. Here 1, 0, 1. That means 2 inputs are having 1, 1. So this becomes 1. What about this 1, 1, 0?
1.
1.
1, sir.
Now tell me.
0.
0.
Why it's 0? Why not 1?
Because they have given the condition that or else it is 0.
Yes. So only even number of inputs should be high. If all the 3 also are high also, it will be 0 only. Okay. Now you need to take these 3 positions. For 1, 0, 1, 1 you are having. 0 I have told already. 0 indicates complement. It will be A bar, B, C. For this, it is A, B bar, C. For this, A, B, C bar. So now it is product. A bar, B, C plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar. This is the expression. Okay. Any doubt in this? Okay. After that, realize using NAND gate. See, nothing is restricted to NAND gate only. It's just, yeah, we have taken example. They can ask NOR gate also. Both NAND and NOR has equal importance. Okay. Now, to this, you need to write the NAND procedure. Okay. And suppose if in the question, write the expression, simplify it, and realize. Means you should simplify this and realize. Here they are not asking any simplification. They are not told, means don't do. Whatever they have given the equation, just simplify that and do the next process. Okay. So we'll stop it here. So in the next class, we'll continue with the other things.